I blank, you could lend me 500 pesos. Hope, will be hoping, have been hoping, was hoping. Sa sitwasyon na ganito, hindi natin focus kung kailan ba nangyayari yung pag-hope mo na pautangin ka. Wala na tong kinalaman kung kailan ba nangyayari yung action. This has something to do with politeness. Kapag kasi ganito, na halimbawa may request tayo or may favor tayo, mas gusto sana natin softer yung request, mas polite yung dating, hindi aggressive. Kumbaga may social distance. So kapag gano'n, na mas gusto natin polite yung request natin or softer, we use past progressive. Was or were plus yung verb in ing. Therefore, ang sagot is letter D, was hoping. I was hoping you could lend me 500 pesos. Parang pag sinabi mong, I was wondering, blah, 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 or I was thinking, blah, blah, blah. Pare-pareho yan. Kaya sila past progressive kasi nga mas gusto natin softer. Now, yung hope pwede rin naman sa mga requests. Pero dapat itong could ay can. Kasi again, yung could dito mas polite kesa sa can. So kapag hope, dapat ima-match natin siya ng can dito. Parang, I hope you can lend me. Pwede rin actually present progressive. I am hoping you can forgive me. Kaya lang, can din yung kailangan mo dyan.